si Mrs. Good morning, Langga. Good morning. Saturday morning walk with Papa and Mama. We're going to buy pandesal. Unya na ka mag-walk ha. Kaya wala na to sa kilid sa kalsada. Okay? So nice. Ganda ng umaga. Hi! We are going to the bakery. You're gonna buy some bread for me. Hi! Napod ilang baby dito. Oo. Nag-walking po ilang baby.
Sal, 50. Init pa?
Baby! Lingaw siya. Our pandesal is ready. And the baby. Let's eat our bread at 7-Eleven. Gonna buy some coffee. Let's go. Let's go. Mag-buy sa si Mama coffee ha. There's the coffee, there's the bread, and the baby with the bread, and Papa's coffee, and Papa! And sunrise! Look at the sunrise, guys! Painit me while eating. Gihikot. Gihikot. Kay basin mo dagan. Basin mo kalit og dagan ang bata.